Hi guys, in this video we will discuss a very important aspects of Windows 11, 10 secret feature of Windows 11. And the first one is dynamic lock. Windows 11 can track your phone's movements via its Bluetooth signal strength, locking your PC when your phone moves too far away from your computer. And Microsoft calls this feature dynamic lock. Here in this video we will see how to enable dynamic lock. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to accounts. Thereafter from the right side, choose sign in options. Here scroll down and you will find the option additional settings, and just below you will find dynamic lock. Automatically lock your device when you are away. Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. So enable this feature, make the check against this option. Thereafter, looking for your paired phone, your mobile device must be paired with your Windows 11 system. Go to Bluetooth and devices and turn on Bluetooth and add a device and pair your phone first from here. Once pairing completed, go to account section, dynamic locks, go to sign in options, dynamic lock, and you can see your pair phone cannot be found. So first pair your phone. Some other features also available. Automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. You may enable this feature. Some other feature also, show account details such as my email address on the sign in options. Enable or disable such feature. So choose as per your choice, as per your requirement. Some other features also available. Use me sign in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. So enable or disable here. So this is a very important feature. Most of the users don't know this. So you must enable dynamic lock. The second one is nearby sharing. Nearby sharing lets you share files, photos and website links between close by PCs using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So you can easily connect your phones and nearby computer with your existing computer with nearby sharing. Go to this PC and right click on it and here choose share. On the next window, here your nearby device will found. Here you will find nearby sharing. Click on it. To share with someone on Windows PC near you, turn on nearby sharing. Turn on this feature and your PC will automatically connect with another PCs or devices. Use your mobile device from your PC, make calls, keep up with conversation, view your phone notifications and more. This is the feature. Use your mobile device from your PC. So you can easily connect your device by nearby sharing. Choose your device to get started. Scan QR code. Pair your devices with Bluetooth. You can use QR code to use nearby sharing in your Windows 11 system. The third one is storage sense. Windows 11 offers multiple methods for freeing up a space. You can turn to the classic disk cleanup tool. For example, use connecting called storage sense. Right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find storage. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option storage sense. Click on a small arrow, just the toggle button. Automatically free up a space, delete temporary files and manage locally available disk. Clean up temporary files, make the check against all those options. Automatic user content cleanup, turn the toggle button on. Some other features also available. You can also configure cleanup schedules during low free disk space every day, every week, every month. Choose as per your choice, as per your requirement. Delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over. Here you can choose a days. Automatically files will be deleted from recycle bin. 1 day, 14 days, 30 days and 60 days. Choose as per your requirement, as per your choice. Delete files in my downloaded folders if they have not been opened for more than, and here also days available, 1 day, 14 days, 30 days and 60 days. Choose as per your choice. So a storage is the very important feature to free up a space of your Windows 11 system automatically. The next one is projecting to this PC. Projecting to your PC. To set up project to this PC, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings, and here go to right side, and here scroll down and look for the option projecting to this PC. Click on it. Here project your Windows Phone or PC to this screen and use in keyboard, mouse and other devices too. Add the wireless display option feature to project to this PC. This is a very important feature. This capability could be useful if you have a Windows 11 laptop with a small screen and want to interact with it on your larger all-in-one machine. So click on it. Here choose features, view or edit optional features history. You can easily choose here and set up project to this PC option. Here some other settings also available here. Change one by one and use project to this PC option. The next one is clipboard sync. This is also an important feature. If you activate this feature, you can copy text on your desktop PC and paste it on your laptop. The clipboard sync feature is instantly configurable and powerful. Right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for the option clipboard. Click on it. On the next page, you will find the clipboard history. Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows logo plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. You can turn on the toggle button to enable clipboard history. Clipboard history access your devices. You can also make the toggle button on. Paste text from your PC to supported devices. This feature is only available if your Microsoft account is syncing with Windows. So your Microsoft account must be signed in. You can also, if you want to clear clipboard data, then you can easily click on clear and your clipboard history will be cleared. So use clipboard data, clipboard sync to copy and paste it to another PC, another devices. If a program freezes or starts to misbehave, you normally have to visit the task manager and use the end task feature to forcibly close it. If you find yourself doing that often, Microsoft has a convenient shortcut for you. You can add an end task button. How to enable end task option on your taskbar through right click on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also trying to enable end task in Windows 11 taskbar, you can see only close Windows feature is available. Now Windows introduced a new feature. You can easily add end task feature through right click. How to possible? We will see. You can easily see right click context menu. End task is not available. We will now enable it. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here click on for developers. Click on it and here you will see the option end task. Enable end task in taskbar by right click, turn the toggle button on to enable this feature. Now you can easily see, right click on any open apps or features and you can easily see end task is enabled through right click. If you want to disable it, simply go to Windows settings and turn the toggle button off to disable end task. The next one is game mode. Game mode, which is on by default, it means Windows should detect when you are playing a game and limit background tasks to improve your gaming performance. When game mode originally launched with Windows 10's creators updates in 2017. Here are the process. You can enable game mode, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings menu, go to gaming. Thereafter go to right side and you will find game mode. Click on it and turn the toggle button on. Optimize your PC for play by turning gaming off in the background. So turn the toggle button on to enable game mode. Windows will automatically reduce background features, background distraction for your ongoing game. The next one is eye tracking. Eye tracking is a very important feature. Microsoft pushing PCs with IR cameras and presence sensors. Windows cannot perform eye tracking with a standard hardware. Perhaps that's something we should expect to see in the future, as imagine if Copilot Vision could see what you were looking at. So this is a important feature. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for the option eye control. Click on it. Here you will find the option eye control. Connect to eye tracker to use eye control. When typing with eye control, only the EN English US keyboard layout is supported. So if your system having supported with US keyboard, then you can easily enable this feature and connect to eye tracker. So you must connect a eye tracker on your PC. The next one is title bar. Simple but super useful Windows 11 feature that most people don't even know exists. It's called the title bar sec or arrow sec. With just a quick sec of a window, you can instantly minimize all other open apps and clear your workspace in seconds. It's a very tricky and that can make your desktop a lot cleaner and your workflow smoother. In this video, I will show you how it works, how to enable or disable it. Simply right click on your start button and choose settings. Here in settings, from the left side of menu settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side. Here scroll down and look for the option multitasking. Click on it. Here you will find title bar window sec. If you disable it, you can see you can't minimize all your open tab by secking. Now if you disable it, if you enable it, turn the toggle button on to enable title bar window sec, and you can see as soon as you sec your open files and folders, all other files and folders will be minimized to your taskbar. So go to your current files and folders or browser and just sec it, and you can see all other opened browser will minimize to your taskbar. So it is a very handy feature for Windows 11. And the last one is device portal. Windows 11 has a device portal web interface for remote diagnostics over local area network connections. You can activate it via the settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings pane, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for the option advanced settings. Click on it. Here scroll down and look for the option developer mode. You must enable first developer mode, then device portal. So turn the toggle button on to enable developer mode and as well as device portal. Turn on remote diagnostics local area network connections. Turn the toggle button on and some other feature also available. So turn the toggle button on first and some other features also you can change it here. So for device portal is important for remote local area network connections. So these are the 10 secret Windows 11 features most users don't know for beginners also. That's all.